This is a bit dangerous, and I know you tell us not to touch these yet, but how do I trade ranges and how are they different to our regular trend pullback trades?
I wouldn't touch ranges. I mean, it's as simple as that. Ranges are extremely dangerous. You know, I know you are able to do them at this part of your career, but you know, for anyone who's asking you this question that you're asking me, I would not recommend any new trader to get involved with ranges. I know there's a tons of strategies out there that talk about you want to trade just outside the range to bring it back into the range. No, don't do ranges. Remember, what is our role in the market? What are we supposed to do? Are we supposed to feed the algorithms? Is that our job?
No, we help the big boys.
Help the big boys. You want to get paid the big bucks? Go directly to the top. Don't mess around with little skimp penny pinchers, okay? So ranges are penny pinchers, right? They're trying to squeeze out every penny. Now, the danger of that is a range is nothing but an order building mechanism. If that order building mechanism gets ready to pop, you're dead. You're dead. Two, it's very hard to know, will it continue back the other way? See, a range just feels comfortable because they've done this before, so they'll do it again. They've done this before, so they'll do it again. It makes us feel oozy and cozy inside that I already know the answer because it's free money. And unfortunately, that's the devastation. You know, that constant pinballing between the ranges, especially if it speeds up, that's dangerous. If it slows down, that's even more dangerous. Does that make sense? So
yeah,
it's very, very different to a trend pullback. A trend pullback means there is a demand in progress underway. A range basically means there is no demand or supply, there's equilibrium in the market, which means people are happy with the prices they're getting. Why are you trying to move that price as a trader? Don't move that price. It's happy in that range, right? So if it constantly pinballs in that range, the only way we make money as traders is if it travels. So if I hit the sell and it doesn't sell because the pricing is satisfactory or it just hovers around the middle a little bit, we're dead. We're dead. So it's a losing game to get involved with. Can it be traded? Absolutely. And as you said at the beginning of this, it's dangerous. I'm not going to explain it. Don't do it. It's not worth it.
Okay, good. I'll keep looking for the easier money.
Yeah, that's the best way to do it. Easy money is the best way.